Today we roll into Arlington to check out a van made by Volkswagen but shares technology with Chrysler and Dodge. That's what I know so far. It's not turning on. So we're gonna see what's going on with it. I hope I'm not too late. Alright, looking for a Volkswagen. Routan. I think that's the name of the van. Started with an R. And I think I see it. Yes. This is it.
Well, so I went and got some gas.
Mm-hmm.
Put some gas in it, but that didn't work. So it was acting like it wanted to crank up. Now it's not cranking at all. It's just making a little clicking noise.
Okay.
And on the dash, I see a lightning bolt thing and something else.
Okay, we're gonna test the battery first. You know if you left any lights on or anything?
No, I did not. Actually, all the lights in the car are coming on. Everything else is working, like the doors opening and everything. So
okay.
I don't think it's the battery.
Okay, cool. So I tested the battery. It was reading high voltage, and I decided to jump it off too just to make sure. And it's pretty much pointing to a bad starter. And I'm pretty sure on this car, to access the starter, you have to remove that whole cross member engine mount. So we're gonna have to get some parts. It's crazy too, it only has 100,000 miles. So it really would just be the age of these cars sometimes that'll kill the parts, if you ask me. Yeah. Okay. We're disconnecting them battery cables. To access the starter, you're gonna have to remove this right here. It's a couple 16mm bolts. Then you're gonna have to remove these right here. Two more 16s, and then that's an 18 right there. There's probably some 16s. You're gonna have to remove that to get access to the starter. Ooh, a lot of rust. This car must be from up north. Now we get this out. Almost like the Chrysler written all over it. Maybe if I lift up the reservoir, I can get it. There we go. And there we go. All buried in there. Alright, we got that starter out. Kind of had to like push it back a little bit and angle it down to where that kind of faces that way. But check this signal wire out. I don't like that. Look at that. I'm gonna have to patch that up. Alright, we got it in there. Got it in there. So we just got to hook the bolts back up, make sure the signal wire was straight, and...
Short notice, I know.
Oh, it's all good. Glad we got it done. Got it fixed up. Sweating my Jerry curl out. On to the next one. That one was pretty smooth. It was pretty smooth. Didn't take as long as I thought it would. Let's good day to go flying. Look at the sky.